Toyota 5L redneck safetykleen tank. So I got me this 20 quid pump which I used to change the oil on the Sea-Doo. It's got quite a good delivery on it though. So there is a can of diesel, and here is redneck safetykleen. 3, 2, 1. We seem to have some sort of fail. Oh, here we go. Woo! Oh, look at the oil coming out of there. That's a start. Oh, yeah. It's got some delivery on it, hasn't it? Stand and deliver. Oh, that's the main feed up then. Oh, diesel leak. No! Why are we leaking diesel? Epoxy pump's leaking. There's always something here. You can't just do anything. There's always got to be an opposite reaction. Always. Nothing can just do. It all has to mess with your brain. Right then, take 2. Obviously I'm going to concentrate on cleaning the block first, and then we'll have to recycle the... what's he doing now? Well, you were pumping just now, why have you stopped? Alright, so we've got it coming out of there. Okay, I think we've got enough to continue with, so let's just clean this lot up. Right, I've brushed all the nooks and crannies. Let's give it a quick last rinse. My safetykleen tank when I used to have a job it wasn't like this. Woo-ha! Right. Oh, this pump's a real brommer, and he's siphoning back to the tank. Okay, so now we want to spin it all around. So let's spin it all around. This is going to be a real lovely job. This is. Not like the old days when I used to build offshore racing engines. Right, you ready? Here we. There's no electric. Turn the machine on. Here we go. Right. The spinny juju to stop spinning in the pressure washer. Excellent. Spin, you mother. There we go. Just for my delectation. All the swarf has blocked up the head bolt holes, so I've now got to eat swarf. Yeah. Come and take this camera because it's going to get wet.